Today I'm going to give you some basics in cake decorating and cupcake decorating. We're going to start with just icing a sheet layer cake. I've already got my icing bag full of buttercream icing because that's all I use. I always ice a frozen cake because it makes it much easier to ice. I just take an offset spatula and smooth out the icing. If you have to add icing at the bottom or on the edges, just do that and keep smoothing. If you need to heat up your spatula, you can set a hot glass of water beside you and use a towel or paper towel to wipe off the icing, and it will create an even smoother finish. When coloring buttercream, I always use gel food coloring because it works better than liquid. These are just some loopy flowers that you can make for an easy decoration. You can always add a vine of leaves to flowers too. Use a leaf tip to add leaves to the line. This is a simple, easy way to decorate a cupcake. You start on the outside with a big decorator tip and work your way in to look sort of like an ice cream cone. The good thing about using buttercream as icing is that you can always just take it off if you mess up and start over. So if you mess up on a cupcake, you can just take off the icing and do it again. And so the more you practice, the better you get.